Sorry, why are there no announcements about this flight
Wait,
on the speakers?
boarding time is 8:45.
Yeah, but why is there no announcements? If somebody's not here?
They're all here. You're the last
Yeah,
one.
but yesterday, the two of us got offloaded because there were no
You
calls.
don't have to wait for the call. You must. That's why we gave you the boarding card.
Yeah,
with the
but
boarding
yesterday
time.
the flight was delayed.
Yes, but remember, sometimes they don't even work, which means you're not going to come at the gate because you're waiting for
Yeah,
to be called.
there's not enough seating here. This place was full because
Yeah,
there
but
were 4
once it's
flights
8:40,
delayed.
but once it's 8:45, you must come to the gate.
So the airline takes no responsibility.
No, it's your because we gave you the time.
No, well,
Can I see your passport,
thanks very
please?
much.
And the announcement is just a courtesy. Just
A courtesy. So in other words, there's no courtesy.
Again, other airline, other airports, they don't do it all.